Okay, hopefully this should be connected back now. Oh, yeah, this connection is still absolute ass. God damn it. Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, I'm back, but nothing has changed. The connection is still complete ass. I'm getting 60% drop frames. This is stressing me right out. We've reset the router and everything basically. No, I didn't test speeds, but I guarantee they're going to be coming back really low. I'll do it now. I done it last time we were having issues, and they were coming back like just like low. Okay, at the moment we're getting like 8 on the down, which is ridiculously bad. Five is averaging now. 5.7. And we're barely hitting 2 on an upload. So yeah, not good. I don't think it's the deck cam, I think it's just work being done in my area, because I had this issue before. I can turn the deck cam off quickly, but I don't think it's going to suddenly go up. No, hasn't made any difference. It's yeah, something must be on in my area. Last time it was going on, it went off on like a couple of days. I think while they're working on like lines, they must like switch everybody over to like a different line, or like a shade line, or like just like ADSL or something. I don't know. I hope they're doing work for the fibre, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous, because I can imagine the stream is incredibly bad. Guys, let's let me know how bad it is. I'm assuming it's just buffering non-stop. It's probably unwatchable. I'm just hoping it peaks back up, because yesterday we had some issues. It dropped down a couple of times, and then it was like fine afterwards. You're very laggy FPS. Oh, great. Yeah, that's not good. I do apologize, guys. Okay, we've run into a dead end at the moment with Lumia Stream, because I have the free Lumia Stream. Just for the type no buffering, it just has yeah, spoke too soon. Damn it. Yeah. I need to get better internet. Once I got fibre, I won't have to worry about any of these things, I don't think, or hopefully not. But yeah, at the moment we're losing like over half our frames. 64.3% drop frames right now. So I guess if it's going to be like this, it won't be an awfully long stream. Yeah, what's going on, Chris? You probably come at the worst time right now. We're getting internet issues. Getting like 64% drop frames right now. The stream might be really, really laggy. We have tried to reset the router. It seemed to have made like no difference. I think there's work being done in my area. At the moment I'm trying to figure out how to do these Lumia Stream things. It says go to commands, actions, triggers. So I cannot see. Can I edit? Wait a second. Oh, I just something different. But you know, on the slots, I can change the maximum and the minimum bet amount, guys. Do you reckon I should change the max bet? Six combos minus combos. Choose a winning okay. Does it even show these? You can get 8 times, 5 times, 3 times, 2 times, 2 times. 10k, 10,000k, 10 million. Okay, I'll change it to 10 million. I'll change it to 100k, but you need to make it 100k. Okay, that's pretty cool. How many icons to randomize? 3. Let's set that at the moment. I don't really understand these combos though. Okay, so there's a winning message here. Okay, so I'm going to change the maximum bet. Can I change the minimum bet here? Minimum bet can be 0. No. Minimum bet. We'll set 2. I'm going to make it harder to win though. How many icons to randomize? 5. I haven't updated it yet. You're going to have to wait a minute. Next step. Command actions, okay. You guys have to let me know if this is going to be if this is going to be too annoying. I can set conditions and all sorts in here. Audio. Okay, I'm going to have to definitely name slots. Description for commands page, play slots game. Okay, next step. Duration and user levels. We'll just set that as normal for now. Skip queue. Advanced commands. Just complete and save. Okay. So we now have adjusted the slot command. What? Wait till I am 1 before making it harder. Oh, okay. So you want to be number 1 and then make it harder for everybody else. I see how it is, Squish. So yeah, we've just adjusted a bunch of stuff in the slots. Oh wait, I need to refresh. Now it should work. I've completely forgotten all the things that I edited. The minimum bet has gone up. The maximum bet has gone up. How many icons to randomize has gone up. Jackpot message. Oh wait, I enabled TTS for it as well. So you guys can have to let me know if like the TTS is going to be like annoying for the slots. Oh wait, is that 10,000? My bad. Need to add an extra 0 to that, I guess. Shall I add an extra 0 to it, or shall I leave it as it is? I'll let you guys decide. Yeah, farm tech. Do you know the what's it called you added? The commands. Do they require the paid version of Lumia Stream? Yes, 10k, not 100. Yeah, now I'm an idiot. I'm not good with numbers. Add 1, extra 0. Okay, fine. Slots. 1 extra 0. And complete and save. Oh, value must be less than or equal to. Okay, 50k is max apparently. So we're going to do it 49969. And refresh. So you can lose 100k and maybe I can get one then. Yeah. This is going to be risky. But once somebody wins a couple of times with 100k, they're going to be like 1 million. Freeze came. Oh wait, yes, yeah, that's the max. Slots 40. Don't know, but read my new zipper said Lumia. Did Squish just win? I didn't see the lights flashing then though when somebody won. Number 1. 37,000, okay. All in, I guess. Wish me luck, guys. It's been a bit harder now. I think I've lost. Yep. Point. You were 26 out of 26 too. Oh. Oops. Loyalty points. Users. You might magically have some points now, Carth, though. It's probably could have been delayed with the lag going on. Are the lights still flashing? I don't think these are flashing anymore, are they? When somebody wins. Also, is there TTS coming up when people win? If it is, and it's annoying, let me know. I can remove it. Commands. If I go to chat commands, all commands? No? Where the hell did I see them folder? Chat. What the hell is chat match? I don't even know what that is. Chatbot commands, okay. Slots, edit. Yeah, they're not changing color, the LEDs. Oh no, they did there. When you done the command. But maybe because I've edited the betting. Lumia actions. Type. Oh, okay, there's a bunch of Lumia actions I can do here. Chat command. Set fuse audio, play audio, target stream, write to file, second action update. Oh my god, there's like hundreds. Oh, my connection's just gone to excellent for a second then. Hopefully it starts working. It might just be for a second. I'll probably go back. Ooh, send to webhook JSON. Chatbot message, chat command, I'll call command. It's not what I'm looking for, I don't think. Back. Overlay actions, no. TTS audio cooldowns. Audio. I can't see where the lights would be in your conditions. No, I don't want conditions. You can have audio to go off, but that's not what I'm looking for. Chatbot, slot results based on the platform sent. Slot results. Yeah, I can't figure out, like, I don't think the lights are flashing when people are winning. But they used to, which I kind of liked. Oh, no, yeah, our connection's dropped out again. There's a bunch of actions I can do here, but I'm not too sure if they're one. The TTS is pretty low, but it sounds annoying. Okay, I'll remove the TTS. I thought it might be annoying. Disable. Yeah, because I think it does it for everything. Slot result. Disable. Done. Complete and save. Yeah, the police ones work, and I just seen that go off. I can see it in the camera. Refresh. Okay, I've just taken the TTS off these slots. thought it'd be in the Lumia actions, but I can't seem to see it, guys. It probably is an action here, but or maybe call command. And I set the command, 1 second, flash, or do RGB maybe. Okay, let me try test action. Let's try flash. I think it might have been flash before test action. No, we'll do RGB. Okay, so if we had that action, I might need to try conditions for this though, because I think that's going to do it every time somebody gambles rather than every time they win. We can test it though. Slots 1,000. I don't think I have 1,000 to test it with. Okay, yeah, anytime anybody. It's not doing it automatically though, it's coming up as me using RGB. Strange. That's not what I want to happen. Let me try conditions, add condition, username. Oh my days, there's a lot of conditions here. Oh damn, you can have conditions for like donation count, currency, top donator, session, loyalty, currency name. Oh, latest donator. Okay, let's go. Heart rate, BPM, emotes, badges, raw message ID, user levels, username. Okay, we got slots results equals slots combo. Oh, I don't know which one to have. What one to use, yeah. I've got to set a value for this. The slot result will display a winning, losing, or invalid input message based on the game stats. Say what now? This is so confusing. I don't even think I've done this right either. I've just got slots results equals slots results right now. That's not going to do anything. It's a complete and save refresh. Don't think I can add any commands, can I? Can I add a chatbot command? Lumia action. Oh, you only have 201 down. That's it's not good. I'm trying to figure this out, just like fry in my head though. I also do need to like take out my recycling now. I should have done ages ago. Call command, no. Call random command, chatbot message, TTS, no. Webhook, send to webhook. Would that work? This is so confusing. Okay, if I click chatbot, enable my chat message, test. I swear this isn't a command. This is so confusing. It says command actions. Let's click out of this. Chatbot commands, add command. Start from scratch. Okay. Name starter command. No. Let's try calling it duck. Description for command. Duck. Show this command in the commands page. Okay, delay, duration. General, I can't see a way to add options to this. So. Okay, cooldown, use global cooldown. Dynamic options. I have no idea what any of these settings do. I'm back. Yeah, what's going on PC board repair? We're still getting like really bad connection issues. I can see actions here I can do. I wonder if any of these actions can do our like webhook call thing. HTTP, no, I can't see a HTTP request or anything. Trying to see if there's like something I can add here into this. Just make a quick command, just to test. Send to printer. Send a printer, but it's not sent to duck. Clear cooldowns, reset session, delay, no. I don't think I can see anything. I can see send to webhook. And a webhook at URL, and I can send a JSON value to it. Would that work? You found archive footage you shot back in 1997. Nice. That was a better time, man. Yeah, I think the only thing I can see here is the webhook thing. Let me try this just to see if this maybe works. No, it's different IP address, isn't it? Let me try 35. Oh, okay, that's working because I've just gone to the URL. Okay, webhook. JSON value. Why can I not click apply? Maybe I can't use this. I can only click cancel. Oh wait, do I need to click add action? Maybe 1 second. Try deleting that. Add action. Apply. Refresh. IDM WSH Pro slots win higher than 4. Okay, nice. I'll have a look at that in a bit. Let me just see if this works. I'm seeing anything happening yet. But I think I just set up a command for that. Nothing seems to be happening now. Let me go in, let me click test. Nothing is happening in. Let me try editing. Lumia actions. Yes. Test. I guess I can't do it with this send to webhook maybe. I thought it would work. I could send a webhook and then the IP address and stuff. Doesn't seem to work. So I could add chatbot. There's got to be a way to. You must use get. Yeah, I couldn't find a get HTTP. I could only find a send webhook. I just updated the command, but I don't think it's going to make the duck dance. Hopefully it makes the bot reply though. I'm not seeing anything happening though in terms of the bot responding. Oh wait, yeah, okay. So the bot and everything's working, so we just need to set up the Lumia action. I can't get working. See, under Lumia action in here, I can see a send to webhook. And type, we've got call command, call random command, chatbot message, text to speech, set stream mode, toggle stream mode, play audio, write to file, set connection, update variable, add username, remove like a bunch of set folder, set alert state, Twitch command points, kick points, Trovo, spells, chat match, automation state, loyalty points, and then we've got send to Discord webhook, send to Discord webhook with media, send to JSON webhook, or send to webhook JSON, send to printer, raffle entry, a bunch of raffle stuff, queue stuff, back to default, clear all, refresh and delay. So I cannot see anything for the HTTP request or whatever it was that you said, FarmTech. Yeah, I can't find the thing that you said either. Like commands, actions, triggers. I'm in commands. I don't see actions though. Setup is in the code text, even if that's not side. Ah, okay. Well, but the other, like the other documents you sent across. I got commands I can see. Toggle, clear queue, pause queue, turn off light. Set session, toggle head. Test commands. What does so do? Error getting clip found for user. Okay. Alert studio. Yeah, I can't seem to find this at all. Cooldown settings, chatbot settings. I found the notes and PCB layers for a 2-band by design. Nice. Where can I put them so people can access them? I'm not too sure. On one of the Discords probably. Not too sure what Discord. Yeah, I can't find anything called actions. I can find reactions. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Wait, this thing that you mentioned is FarmTech. Automations, virtual lights, connections, community. Oh, I can see webhooks. We want webhooks. Oh, I think that's for keybinds though. MIDI, OSC, MQTT, serial. There's so much stuff on this, so confusing. Alerts. Okay, I can set it for alerts. Yeah, I can't figure this out at all. I can see commands. I go into commands. I can't see the thing that you mentioned though, FarmTech. I can see like user levels, folders. But yeah, I can't see the thing that you mentioned, sorry. I can't find it anyway. No, I'm looking in the settings of Lumia Stream. Unlike the previous document he sent me, it says open Lumia, go to commands, actions, triggers. But I can't find that anywhere. I can also can't find any way to put a HTTP request. Sending commands, check commands. Yeah, I can't figure this out at all. Send a command to, we'll just send a post request to. And then there's that. Yeah, I can't figure this out at all, guys. Good commands, action triggers. Yeah, that's the problem. Actions doesn't seem to exist. I've been looking for like ever. There is no actions thing. I go to commands and I can't see actions. I already made the command for duck, as you can see. Like if we type duck in the chat, like there's a command set up for it. I can't find trigger. There is no trigger. Okay, if I share the screen for this 1 second. Where's the 2? 1 second. Window capture. Okay. You can see we've got a command set up right here. So if we could edit. This is the only options we have. So do we edit from scratch? At top? What do you mean at top? I'm not too sure what version I'm using. I think it's the newest version, because I've only recently downloaded it. See, we get the exact same screen if we click to make a new command. That's what we do if we just edit the existing command. So I'm not seeing actions here. The big red button on the right hand side. There is no big red button. Yeah, what's going on, James? There's a chat button, a pink one. Yeah, the add command button. Yeah, that does exactly the same as the screen that we're on now. We've already been through that. I literally showed that. Look, I'll even do it again. Add command. Exactly the same screen. If I click edit, exactly the same screen, apart from the stuff we've already got set up. Saying I should have an actions tab on Google though. Navigate to the actions tab inside the edit window. Go to actions. I don't see an actions. I can see YouTube actions. But that's it. Lumia actions, overlay actions. And Lumia actions are just this. I tried YouTube action. I like the ducky frame. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I got it from Google's. I didn't like the square edges. Complete and save is not going to do anything. It's already saved as this. If you do complete and save, it will literally just do this when you type it. Same as it does now. Do I need a capital letter? Maybe need a capital letter. Is it case sensitive? Case sensitive. So yeah, I'm confused. If I could get a different scratch, I get exactly the same options here. There's my version in the bottom left. So like there is no way to do what you said with the actions that I can see. I could go Lumia actions, YouTube actions, overlay actions, and we have checked all of these. And this is what we've got in here. guess it's not case sensitive. Okay, that's good. So yeah, no idea what to do. I don't think it's possible. Because normally people use webhooks to do this stuff. Can we even do... Oh, Nanofixie, any viewers just joined, say hi. Hi guys. You might have joined into a super laggy stream. So I do apologize. What's going on, Zach? How are you doing today? If you press test, it works. No, I don't think it does work if we click test. Test action. Nano raid. Nice, thank you. Thank you, Zach. I did enable the thing earlier for the first time. Pigeon in chat. What's going on, Chloe? I do apologize for the buffering and stuff we have going on right now. Oh, I think this cam's frozen as well, this top one. 1 second. There you go. Yeah, there's a test button. I know, I've hit the test button, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, we apologize for the bad quality, like the buffering and stuff that's going on right now. We're experiencing some internet issues currently. The last 2 days the internet's been up and down. We're getting a lot of skip frames. It's not normally this laggy. What's going on? Supersonic Corn Dog, Photofix. How's everybody doing? Guy in the shack. I came here from Tinder. What's going on, San? Dev Blue Sky, how's everybody doing today? But yeah, if I click the test action, we don't get anything happening. Also, if anybody wants to know the commands, what's going on, Zach? How are you doing? That'll bring up the commands. What's going on, Dan? And Rusty, I'm not too sure if I said hello, Rusty. That's the link if you guys want to view the commands for the stream. Oh, jeez, I didn't realize it shot up that much to 63 people. Jeez. Not here to watch while he eats dinner. Nice. What do you want for dinner? You're making me hungry now. Like if we go to the HTTP request, like the website. Let me see if I can bring this up for you guys. Window capture. This one here. So we click this. See that the duck works. Just a little catch up for anybody. Basically, we've been making a ESP controlled duck. We took it apart, use a voltage regulator to step down the power to control the voltage for the duck and the ESP board. The LEDs behind the duck are also chart controlled as well. So you type in, for example, let's go for blue maybe, into the chat. You can control the LEDs. We are messing with some settings right now. They seem to be flashing, I think, more than changing color right now. I might have messed something up though. Or they seem to be flashing now rather than changing colors. I might have accidentally set a, I forgot what they're called now, a condition on this, because I'm only now trying to figure out Lumia Stream. But the goal is to link Ducko over here to like commands first to test out, and then we're going to integrate like alerts and stuff, so people can like subscribe or tip, etc., to get a little ducky to dance. We have a command set up at the moment, but we're having issues getting it actually working. It needs to send a HTTP request. And FarmTech is the one who's like helped us do all of this as well. So we're going to give a big shout out to FarmTech. And going back to the people who said about the test button, I did miss where you said about the test button for test action. I have clicked it several times. Let me see if I can swap the window order. I'll just hide this one for a second. The test action button, not too sure if it shows me clicking it on the window itself. But yeah, we are clicking it and yeah, nothing is happening at all. But this is sending a JSON, so it's a webhook rather than a HTTP request, because I cannot find HTTP requests anywhere in here, as FarmTech suggested. So that's where we are stuck to right now. I know a lot of people do use webhooks, and potentially we'd have to change the code though to listen to the bot potentially saying how it is alive. I think he mentioned the test near the webhook. Yeah, I've tried that one as well. They both, let's click save here. And we click this test, the one right here. I'm spamming the hell out of it. Nothing seems to be happening. Yeah, how it is alive. He's kind of alive. We can make him work if we go to the web browser and no, that's not the right display. This one? Yeah. We refresh this page, say we do it for 30 seconds. And we send that. Then Mr. Ducky will do his little happy dance. We're dropping frames again as well. I do apologise for the bad streaming quality, like a bit great. I'm probably going to have to ring my ISP tomorrow just to get to figure it out. Yeah, the webhook doesn't seem to work, sadly. And I need to also look at trying to what's it called? Adjust the conditions. I'm going to remove the conditions on this for the light if I can. But I can never remember which ones they were. Conditions, no. Because the lights I seem to have messed up, I think, as well. In Lumia, it's Lumia actions you must use. It's raining outside, how do I stop it? You gotta use the stop rain command. This is beautiful, thank you, Zach. Yeah, it's taken a while. It's literally taken us like 5 streams to take that deck apart. We couldn't get back together for ages because we had like loads of wires and stuff inside of him. So off camera earlier, I like took all the this isn't the hock there I removed. I might have thrown the hock there I removed on the floor. But yeah, it's like IPA it all, remove all the hot glue, cut the little cable ties, redo all the wires, and hot glue it to the back of the inside the battery pack. I will quickly unplug the duck just to show you guys. You won't be able to see inside, because there's a pain to do. But I will show you, because we did have the ESP board inside, like here. But as the batteries are not being utilized anymore because we've put a barrel jack on him. The dedication makes it even better. Yeah, it does. You take this deck to bed and for walks. You're not meant to tell people that, Squish, okay? We also do have a cool little hat for him. I don't know where it's gone now, though. And it's totally a hat. Anybody who says it's a sock is a liar. Oh, I can't find it now. So we do have another one right here. It's a hat, okay? It's clearly a hat. Doesn't he look like a mighty, distinguished gentleman? We did have like a one with the 3 stripes, the Adidas one, but that's vanished. But yeah, we added a DC barrel jack to him. He's got a little board inside that drops the voltage down from 12 volts to, I think we're running a 5. Slightly over volt, he takes 4.5, and then we've got an ESP 8266 inside of here. That takes 5 volts. Oh no, it's not inside of there. The ESP is right here. I think you need to use a tunnel tool. What's a tunnel tool? Dude, how can you work with all those tools? Like, yeah, I know. Like, this isn't even the worst part. Like, yeah, it is absolute chaos at the moment here. I do need to get a board holder and a tool holder. But yeah, it's always chaos on this stream. I'm constantly looking for things. I do need to have a bit of a sort out right now. Like, this right side over here is just, like, yes, chaos. We have, like, bags of, like, crocodile clips and, like, voltage regulators. We even have a frame from a watch right here. Just everything you could possibly ever imagine. I need to have a bit of a sort out. It's a sign of someone who's getting shit done. Yeah, we are tempted to get, like, little outfits for him. We're going to see if we can find clothes, like maybe little jumpers and hats and stuff to fit him. At the moment, he's going to be like the mascot. I'll show you the ESP under the microscope now. If my microscope decides to knock on. I also do need to put, like, washing on very soon. I was meant to put it on like an hour or 2 ago. Microscope. Yes, we drilled. There was like a plastic divider there, as you can probably see. We removed that. Just scored along the edge with like a blade and then like snapped it. My OCD is getting on top. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm super OCD about things too, but I just try not to look at it. We drilled a hole in here and then run these cables out here. And then that just goes to like the ESP that we've got. And that's what receives like the commands. What's going on, Jazz Ahmed? How are you doing today? Back at it. Yeah, well, it's kind of basically working. No, we're just showing people as a little bit of a catch up where we've like got to. His arms are kind of like not fully, I don't know, in place. We're having some technical issues after his multiple operations with his arms. He might have slight brain damage from the multiple operations. Oh, I also missed a subscription. Warlord, thank you very much. For some reason I didn't get an alert coming up on the screen, but I've just noticed in my activity feed. That's much appreciated. Thank you. So yeah, that's basically where we've got to. There is like a bunch of wires in here. They were all down here. We've moved them all up to like this area. There's a bit more room because there's like a motor in here and allows him to shake his booty. So we'll plug that back in now. Over on Ducko's little stage. This is also what I was spray painting earlier when I mentioned about like spray paint films. Be crazy. I didn't do the best of jobs, but yeah, this background here, I spray painted that. Yeah, indoors. No recommend to anybody, do not spray paint indoors. And I might have got a little bit overspray. So I was also then using white spirit to clean up any overspray. So it was spray paint and white spirit. Oof, I felt like I was going to die. I was just like, damn fumes. But yeah, let's just make sure Ducky's connected again and working. I'll do 20 seconds this time. Yeah, he's connected again and working. His one arm kind of works. Slightly. His both arms did work better before. Like they both go up and down properly. But I'm worried also this cable, like the jack on the back, is going to cause issues. It is dragging a bit. Oh, okay, maybe I do have alerts and I just missed them. Guy in the Shack, thank you very much for the subscription. It's much appreciated. Maybe I just wasn't looking at the screen the first time. But we need to somehow figure out to get this working with Lumia Stream now. That's the only problem. We've got like almost everything set up and done, we have a command set up like in Lumia Stream. We have the duck connected, ready to. No gambling today. Oh, we also changed the slots. I just noticed nobody's been gambling. We changed the maximum bet amount. I think people are not gambling because people kind of went broke. We changed it. I think it was 100k, and yeah, kind of a couple of people might have ended up with 0 points going all in. Did you see my comment? No, I didn't. Sorry, James. What did you say? Is Rusty going all in with slots? Are they not showing in the chat as well? I can see the cooldown, but I can't see the result of your last slots. Hopefully I haven't messed with anything, because I have been messing with a whole bunch of stuff in Lumia Stream, so it wouldn't surprise me if I've broken something. Okay, saying you're on a cooldown still. Let me try slots. I might not even have any points, so because I kind of went all in earlier. Do I even have 1,000 points? Webhook looking for public website. Not local. Ah, okay. So, do you have any idea? Slots? It doesn't seem to be showing right now. I might need to. I can see the points coming up. Basically, you can like gamble, you can do slots, and you can have a chance at winning just more points, basically, to gain a position on the leaderboard. You get points for subscribing, points for liking the video, points for watch time every 10 minutes, and you can also gain points from doing slots, roulette. I think that's it. If you go to this website here that the bot should post now, that'll give you a list of the leaderboard, and also you can view the commands there. We killed the game. Yeah, let me try just like resetting, refresh, and I will open and close Lumia Stream quickly and see if it fixes it. Either that or I have messed something up with all my patching, but we will see. If I have, then I will have to fix it off stream tomorrow probably. We're also going to have to take some recycling out any minute because it's literally like 11:30. I'm going to look like a nutter putting recycling out this late at night. And also I really need to put the washing on because I'm not staying up till 2 AM waiting for that to finish again. Alright, let's see if the gambling and stuff works now. Hopefully it does. I did change a bunch of stuff, but hopefully I haven't broken it. That's what we spent most of the time doing lately, is just trying to like set up things to integrate for the stream. Okay, I see nothing coming up. Everybody typing slots, but I can't see the bot responding with anything. Have I broken something? Okay, let's go to commands. Chatbot commands. Slots. So still showing there's working. Like test. Typical performance anxiety, I think. I'm even clicking test and nothing is happening right now. Have I broken something with all my patching? I seem to have also frozen the top camera again. I've moved my PC, trying to set up the Ducko cam earlier. Because, oh, I just seen a subscriber come up. Glacier So, thank you very much. And Supersonic Corn Dog, thank you very much too. I think the top-down camera is frozen. If you bear me 1 second, I will try to get that back. There you go. IDM set up Lumia ESP to set up Duck. I think Howard sabotage. I think so. I'll have to have a look in a minute now. Farm Tech. I'm just trying to figure out what has happened to the slots and why they don't seem to be working now. Because I remove the... Can I even remove that? Okay, yeah. Done. Complete and save. Refresh. The right way in Lumia. Okay, I'll have a look. You have to give me a couple of minutes though. Slots. 1,000. Do I even have 1,000? Duck, yeah, what's going on, Grass? Yeah, we have the Duck like powered back together. He's not glitching out anymore. But I need to figure out how to integrate it. FarmTech said he sent me the correct way to do it in Lumia Stream. So I will quickly sort my washing out. Because I think it takes me like, I don't know. Okay, let's not stutter off my words. It takes about an hour and a half, I think, to put the wash on, and it's already 11:30, so that already means I'm waiting till, numbers be hard, what's that, 1 a.m. Great. Because I forgot to put it on an hour ago. And I've also got to quickly put recycling outside for the morning. So I will quickly do that and see if when I get back we can figure out. I'll have a quick look at what FarmTech sent and see if we can figure out what's it called, how to actually set this up in Lumia, because he said the right way in Lumia. So I think FarmTech has sent me something on Discord, because FarmTech's the one who helped us with the code for Ducky. And he's made like a fancy web UI and a whole bunch of stuff as well to help towards this project. He's been like a really, really great help. But everybody in chat has been a great help. But got to give, you know, a big shout out to FarmTech because he has gone above and beyond. The slots does not seem to be working right now though, for some reason. I do not know why. Even when I click test, I'm just going to click test on all the commands. I don't think any of the commands are. Okay, other commands are working. I think I just messed with the slots. So roulette seems to still be working, I think, because I clicked test on roulette. Gotta go eat. Have a great night, everyone. No problem, Zach. Enjoy your food. I've been meaning to eat for ages as well. And also, thank you for the raid. It's much appreciated, Zach. Hopefully next week I'll have more time to watch your stream. Normally on a Thursday night I do just chill and watch your stream till you finish. But I was really eager to try and get Ducky working. So yeah, enjoy your food. Squishworms does not exist. So yeah, apparently I must have messed something up with the slots. So we might have to have a look. I cannot speak at all tonight. We might have to have a look at that. Of course, I'm excited to see more of your streams, but thank you. Yeah, they're generally like about 50-50. 50% of the time we're like repairing something. The other 50 we are trying to make, modify, or set up something. So we like to just keep it varied. Whatever like takes interest at the moment. We are going to be building a, I guess people call it a retro bright setup soon. We do have a Xbox controller that we need to look at and fix. I can't remember what the fault is on here. It's probably just stick drift. But we normally like, as you can see, it's like quite grubby and dirty. We got ultrasonic cleaner and stuff, so we strip it all down completely, upgrade TMR sticks, and clean it. We will be doing another build soon, which is going to involve, where have my headset just completely gone off? I think my headphones have just died. We have, if I can get it to the box, these LEDs here, UV LED black light strip. These are around like 395, I forget what the value is. but the UV spectrum. There's 10 meters in there, so it should be 600 LEDs. We're going to attach them to like a big giant plastic box we've got that we're going to line with foil. We did order a heating board. I cannot remember where I put that though, guys. It's only yesterday it arrived. Did I put it back in the box? I don't think I did. No. But we have our little heating control board here as well somewhere that we've ordered. We just got to get a heating element, and then we'll be able to do some retro bright, I think is that what people call it. I just call it bleaching or whitening. We've got a big thing of hydrogen peroxide here that is ready to do that, and I could probably even dilute this a bit more with like distilled or deionized water. But I'm also looking to try to do like some restorations of some like old vintage consoles. I've been eyeing up like PlayStation 1s. What else? PlayStation 1, Game Boy Original, like SNES, I think. So anything that's like light in color, that's gonna make a good visual transformation for the cleaning and whitening process. Potentially some repairs. What are you going to do with that? The peroxide is for like what people call like retro bright, like whitening and restoring old plastics. So we will line a large, making a flux capacitor, and don't tell anybody. We'll line a large plastic box, I can't remember how many litre it is, 40 or 60. It's a big one. Don't get him started on chemicals here. We have too many chemicals lying around here. But yeah, we're going to basically get it big. It's going to look something similar to like this here. So we'll have one box, like a large box. That will be completely lined with LEDs, 600 of them, UV LEDs. We'll line it all with foil on the outside to reflect any light back in. We'll do the same to the lid of the large box, and then we'll put a smaller box in, depending on the size of the stuff we want to whiten. We'll fill the smaller box with hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, vapor. Yeah, vapor is worth doing when it's warmer outside. I was considering doing the vapor method, and getting like an infrared light. I think that's what it would be, like an infrared heater. But I'm gonna try this method first. But it is much better because you get much better, less streaky results. I think you can use less chemical and stuff. Yummy chemicals, yeah, you can't go wrong. We all go to the future together from the stream. Yeah, we're all going to the future together. But yeah, I'm also then inside of the smaller box, you can put like a heating element. You can get like a heating element for like camping drinks and stuff like that, like a 12-volt one. It's like the safest option. And then you can get like a little board. It's got a temperature sensor on it and a timer. You can use that to regulate your temperature, about 40 to 50 degrees. And yeah, that's basically your retro bright setup, about 4 or 5 hours in there. And then your plastic should come up nice and clean. Clean them first with salt and water, dry them out, and then like whiten, retro bright them. And you'll get the best possible results. We have done some like ghetto versions, not with that, but using 40 volume cream and this really small light in 2 small plastic boxes. So one plastic box to put this on the lid of, foil around the outside, and then a smaller plastic box in there, wrapping the parts in cling film for like grips and stuff for the Xbox controllers. And that one-sided mirror to make the effect. Oh yeah, the one-sided mirrors are pretty cool, like the infinity effect. I've been tempted to make like an infinity mirror. They're pretty easy to make. You literally just need one-way window fill. You put out some acrylic, and then job done. Basically, you put an LED in the middle, and you have infinite LEDs. Basically, you put a backboard, I guess, on the one, because wherever's lighter, you can see into, with the so-called one-way like mirrors. try Spray 9 first, made by K Canada. Yeah, getting from Canada for me would be a pain though, because I'm in the UK. I made one box, like 30 centimeters. Okay, that's pretty cool. I might do that because I've got some shadow box frames. Because before I was making an ESP, I'd get a shadow box frame, put LEDs all around the outside, and then print onto like etched vinyl with like a full color print. And you can put that over like the glass. And with your RGB, like addressable, like ARGB, I should say, you can control them. And we have like battery, like a big boy battery somewhere, like a 3,700 milliamp hour battery. And that can power that for like quite a while. So doing something like an Infinity one remotely, battery powered for like wall art would be pretty cool. Because I have done ones with like prints and they came out really nice. Okay, I've got to quickly get this this washing sorted, chat. So if you bear with me about like 5 minutes, I will be back, and then we'll see if we can figure out the commands to set up Ducky. Hopefully we can. Fingers crossed. Okay, I will be back in 5 minutes, guys. Bear with me. Yep, it won't be 2 minutes now. Just gonna take some recycling outside. Okay, so the washing or laundry is on. Might have spilled liquid detergent everywhere, but we'll pretend like that didn't happen. Oh. Yeah, I think I've messed up the slots. I'm at a look at that. The roulette is currently working still, and I am out of breath from bloody going outside. Oh my days. Yeah, I've taken the recycling out. I probably look like a complete nutter at this time of the night. It's like 11:45 at night. Just got, I did have my microphone on, thank God, but I've got like these gloves on. Just going outside like this. People probably thought I'm doing like a meth lab or something in my house. Right. I'm going to go and have a look at Discord quickly, guys. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to have a look at Discord because FarmTech has sent me something, I think, to try to get Ducky working. So, fingers crossed that works. Are the lights working as well, guys? Because I messed with a whole bunch of commands and I think I've broken like a bunch of the integrations right now. You need a long walk with Ducky to get in shape. I do. I should not be this out of breath. Alright, I'll be back in like 2 or 3 minutes now. I'm going to go to Discord, read what FarmTech sent. I'm assuming it's like a document or something. See if I can figure out to get this this next step set up. I'm also going to shut the doors. Just so you guys can't hear the washing machine going. It sounds like it's going to take off sometimes. It goes brrr. Have a dance with Ducky. I think we will have to start a bloody a gym channel. Get in shape with Ducky and Pigeon. Be like one of them like 80s style. I'll get one of them like I don't know what they call them. I'm gonna say leotard. I don't know if that's the right word. But we'll get like leg warmers, and I'm gonna say leotard. I could be wrong. And we do like 80s style like workout. We'll be like, yeah, come on guys, do your star jumps. And 1 and 2. And here we go. Alright, let me go and check this message. I'll be back in a minute, guys. back. It looks like we're still getting connection issues too. Sorry for the delay, guys. I'm gonna have to log into Discord on here, I think. Because that's a long ass message. Like a whole bunch of long ass messages. So yeah, I might try and log into Discord on the streaming computer now, guys. Hopefully next stream we don't get bad connection. Because like this entire stream we've had like above 50% drop frames. They're not normally this bad. Let's put these gloves back on quickly, and then I'll try and log into Discord on here. Because there's a whole bunch of steps. But I'll see if it works. Let me see if I can quickly log into Discord, guys. Discord. Also, if anybody has any ideas for anything like they'd like to see, any projects, anything they'd like to see repaired, I'm always open to suggestions. I just like poaching with things, basically, more than anything. I don't have anything, I don't think favoritism is the correct word, but any bias towards any particular thing, making, repairing, restoring, building. Like, yeah, we'll try anything. I'm about to regret this bet. What bet you do? You do on roulette. Slots is fairly easy to win on, but I need to figure out if there's a way to reset slots back to default. Because that would be handy. Maybe then it'd work. Icons, edit from scratch. Because the slots don't seem to be working right now. I cannot figure out why at all. We have conditions set up. Let me remove these conditions on the slots. And then back, complete and save, refresh. Let's have a look at Code and Dogs points quickly. Okay, loyalty points, users. Up your points. There you go. You just got some more points going, dog. And we will also give Zach some points for radiant interest too. If I can find him. No. Let's click the wrong button. Back. Let's bump Zach's points up a bit. Okay, and let's see if slots are working quickly, guys. Slots, 500. That's all good. Okay, it seems like the slots are working again, guys. But the LEDs are not flashing when people win. I don't know how to get that back. Before, when somebody would win, the LEDs would flash. It'd flash a little bit before it'd show up in chat as well, so it was like kind of handy. So at least we fixed one thing. We're making progress, guys. Slot seems to be the easiest, where we increase the things that can roll. I think 5, so I think that makes it harder, unless I've made it easier. It wouldn't surprise me, I'm an idiot like that at times. But we increased the max bet because it was 2K. I think we increased it to like 100K and 69, I think. 169K. WLED setup. Yeah, the problem with the... Wait, WLED. Are we using WLED now instead? Or are you on about WLED for the light strip? For the LEDs. For like Ducky's backlights. I'm just gonna quickly see if I can log into Discord here. No, thank you. Okay, it's logging me in. Okay. Let's see if we can find farm text message. Okay. So I'm looking at your message now, Farm Tech. This is much easier. I'm going to go to the other room. Let's look at Discord. No duck too. We're going to be using WLED for the duck. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be really confused now. So we've got set up WLED for poops. Here's the deck set for Lumia. At the moment, I just want to see if we can get just a simple command. Nice, did you just win? Nice, 1K. Nice. It doesn't sound like the lights are not flashing when people win though. Because I really liked that. It just made the winning like even better. There's a duck setup in the Lumia version. Yeah, I've seen that one. So I just try that one for now, and I'll try the other ones like off stream, just because it's like almost midnight now. Use duck setup in Lumia for your version of Lumia. Okay, so if I look at this, open the command creator. In the left sidebar, click on commands. Open the okay. Struggling to even follow the first step, I'm going to be honest. Open the command creator, open Lumia Stream. I've got Lumia Stream open. Do I go to commands? Is that what you're saying? Click on the orange add command button in the top right hand corner. Maybe. Are you using the premium version to do this by any chance, Farm Tech? Because I'm on the free version. I can add chatbot commands, but not regular chat commands. Maybe is that why we haven't got access to this? Were you using the free version of Lumia Stream, Farm Tech, or do you need the premium version? Because when I just click on normal chat commands and I add command, it tells me I've hit my limit. But if I go to chatbot commands where we add the duck one, I can add commands in there, but then it just gives me the options we seen earlier: start from scratch, chatbot, TTS, audio, cooldowns, Lumia actions, overlay actions, YouTube actions, and conditions. I do not know if it's free version. Okay. So that could be the issue then. Because I don't see. I can see like chat command settings, cooldown settings, user levels. But yeah, that's about it, to be honest. Also, I'm only now remembering somebody earlier asked if I stream on like Twitch or anything. I do not yet, but I do plan to set up Twitch. maybe kick and TikTok, and then figure out how to do multi-streaming. I know there's a lot of good integrations we can do with Twitch, but I keep forgetting. Is it worth me getting the paid version of this Lumia stream just to test? I'm gonna just get a premium and see. Maybe. Because I do get, I think it's just gonna bring up the same window though, to be honest. Also, with the gambling, if it does annoy anybody with the spam in the chat, let me know. We can probably do like a poll to increase the cooldown. Because I know 1 or 2 people did say before that it was filled in the chat. So if it is annoying anybody and they don't want to see it in the chat, let me know. We can run a poll and let obviously the majority vote to see whatever works best for you guys. I need to start working on my DMG 104 mod again. What is that mod? I'm interested to hear about that. I like any kind of like mod. We've tried a whole bunch of different like circuits we tried to make here. None of them really too successful. Like this thing here, we've taken some components off, I think. We tried to make like our own like little power supplies and some stuff like that. No, I don't care. No. You don't need to apologize and say sorry for spamming. It makes no difference at all to me. Like, I'm used to this. This is what stream is normally like all gambling addicts. So like, feel free to gamble as much as you want to. It doesn't affect me. But I was just saying, just in case anybody in like who's watching or in the chat doesn't like it, then obviously they can just say, and I'm willing to run a poll. Because like, it doesn't bother me, but I just want whatever the majority of chat is happy with, basically. Obviously, because I understand we can't please everybody, but whatever the majority of people, you know, are happy with, basically, is what I like to go with. Basically, it's fitting a DS Lite into an original. Oh damn, that sounds pretty cool. Fitting a DS Lite into an original Game Boy. Because I have been looking at trying to do an original Game Boy, but the prices seem ridiculous on them. I've seen a couple cheap, but I dread to think how damaged they are and how much work they're going to need. And I've only been looking on eBay, that's the problem. People who sell stuff on eBay generally, like, they know the prices. They go, oh, well, if they've got to buy a screen and they've got to buy this and this, they'll deduct this and this. So it costs you like the same, probably, once you bought the parts, as if you were to buy one that's in better condition. I've been 3D modeling the case for it coming up pretty. Okay, that's really cool. I want to get a 3D printer. I don't have one yet. I've been looking like the Bamboo Labs with the enclosure and the like 3 filament things, but it's quite expensive. And I also did see a really good resin printer that was only like 400, maybe 400. And yeah, the print fidelity, I think is the word. Like the quality on that was like absolutely ridiculous. You have Discord? I'll send some pictures. Yeah, I have Discord. I mean, Zach's Discord, in Andy's Discord, like Swindon Electronics Repair, JFix's Discord, and Joey Does Text Discord. But my name is TCF on the Discord, not PJ Milk. Because my other account is the Clinch Farmer, which is TCF. That's like an older account I used to do like some gaming and stuff on. No, I check. Not working in the free version. You need the premium version to use HTTP. Ah, okay. As long as we've confirmed that, I'll go ahead and purchase it. I'll go and get my card now and get premium. And give me 2 minutes. I will purchase the premium. Get this working. It does give us a whole bunch more options as well. So that I don't mind. Okay. Let's go ahead and purchase this. Okay, monthly card. Maybe not hold the card directly into the camera would be a good idea. Yeah, the X1C is cool. I've got 2. Damn, if you're just getting started, the A1, yeah, the A1's good. I've seen that, but it doesn't have a. Is the A1 the one without the enclosure? Show us card, love. Over new. Alright, let's see if we can check out with this now. Is this thing gonna work? Payment failed. Let's try checking out again. Payment failed. Okay. Let me try doing this a different way. Try doing it to the website. It's as if they don't want my money. It's like, fine. Okay, I think I'm signing with Google, so let me try and sign in. See if we can get this thing working. I also need to probably go and check on my my washing soon, because I feel like I did way too much laundry detergent, and I got a feeling I'm gonna go in there and it's gonna be everywhere. Show us your card. You're broke now. Hopefully not. Okay, so I'm logged in. Dashboard. Upgrade to premium. Next. Why can I not click next? It's as if they don't want me to bloody pay. So anytime I've tried to get something, and they're just like, no, we're good, thanks. We don't want your money. Payment failed. So a check mark next to the payment though. I can't figure out why. Give me 2 minutes. I'm just gonna see if we can like figure this out. I'm see if I can like. I don't know my account is verified yet. If I try verifying my account. How the hell do I do Gmail? Gmail. Okay. See if we can figure this out. These stupid pop-ups now. Ask me to like enable things, and I don't want you to enable all these features. Just get off my screen. Activate your account. Okay. Let's try this. If we click this, email address verified. Let's try paying again. Still won't work. Okay, I'm slowly running out of ideas here. Send some stuff over to you, sweet. I'll have a look now. Yeah, I can't seem to figure this out. Like it says my payment, like it's got a tick next to my payment method. But then when I try to like pay, it just says like failed. Gift your friends a subscription, go to shop, redeem lifetime code. You're saying to do it through like the store and buy it and then like redeem it maybe. Because if I'm buying it for like somebody else. Does it cost more as a gift? No, it's the same, okay. One month gift subscription that unlocks every premium feature. Maybe I try it that way. No, just navigate to store subscriptions. Okay, let's try that. Lumia Stream services. Shop maybe? Nope, that's just merch, I think. Damn, there's a lifetime one there. Lifetime gift. 1 year, okay, I think they are just dotted around to the store. Okay, I'm gonna add the card. Check out. Because I need to grab the email I wanted to go to. Which is this one. Just bear with me 2 minutes, guys. Okay, this one might work this time, or I'm hoping it does. Because it's actually asking me for a postcode this time, whereas it wasn't before. And I think that's why it wasn't verifying the payment. Fingers crossed this works this time. The card does not support this type of purchase. Okay. Apparently I can't buy it. That's a bit stupid, isn't it? It works for me now. I have 2 premium versions. How the hell do you have 2 premium versions? I can't even seem to purchase one. I need to get a refund now and you need 1 premium. Yeah. But yeah, one seemed to let me, it said, I don't know why, it just said like, what did it say again? Click in and see what it says. Your card doesn't support this type of purchase. Which is the first time I've ever seen that pop up. Let's see if I can do it through PayPal. See if this works. No, we couldn't complete payment. To get payments working, check your account or contact us. Okay. So I can't even get my PayPal working either. Visa or MasterCard. Yeah, I tried to use Visa, but it wouldn't work. I can always try to figure something out tomorrow or soon. I have to look into getting my PayPal working because it seems like there is an issue with it right now. But I know there are ways to do this without like Lumia Stream, like a freeway. You can use webhooks, and then you just apparently have to listen for whenever like the bot says something in chat. And then you can just trigger stuff based on that. But I have no idea why it won't accept Visa. I could have a look at my banking app maybe tomorrow to see if I can figure out if I can like have a disposable card or something like that on the app that I can use. I'm not too sure. But that's pretty devastating because I was ready to like purchase that. And I've never had issues buying anything before. And I'm really gutted. Ducky wants to dance. He wants to be set up. We spent so long trying to get this working. And we've got to like this final stage. And we're just missing one key little thing. But I'm gutted that you have to have the paid version to do the HTTP request. Yeah, I'm trying to Google to see if I can like figure out this error. They're not taking my card. I suggested a freeway earlier. Ah, sorry, James. I must have missed that. I do apologize. You used the webhook. Yeah. Do I then need to redo all the code though? If I use the webhook. The codes that we're running on the ESP. Because the only problem is I don't think the USB port is accessible. That is the only downside. So we'd probably have to like remove the hot glue to try to get to that. Drop data. Which is silly. Because I'm pretty sure when you can enable these, you can like SSH into them and like update the code, but we didn't do that. Because that would have been like the smart thing to do. We don't do smart things here. Yeah, if you know like a nice easy way, James, I'm definitely open to suggestions. Are the lights even working currently as well, or did I miss the... oh no, the lights are flashing when somebody won there. Nice. Are the lights working again now? RGB. Try. RGB seems to be working. Pink. Red. Okay. So the lights do seem to be working. Oh wait, to get free trial. Oh, I can do a free trial. There's no card required. I can do, I think I'd get all the features. Literally never even noticed. That's literally a big button on the top of the screen. It's just like, get free trial. Like giant letters. Okay, start my free trial. It also says no credit card required. So we can just click activate. And we have a trial activated, guys. Only took me all that time to notice. Okay, my dashboard. Commands. We'll add a command. Oh, damn, yeah, we do get way more options now, don't we? Lights, plugs, key lights, chatbot, TDS, key/mouse output actions, overlay actions, Lumia actions, cooldowns, audio API actions, command runner actions, YouTube actions, conditions, and code. I still don't see the thing the farm tech mentioned though. Do we click start from scratch farm tech? Because I can now see just one that just says actions on its own. But we're in the premium version now. Squish rooms go to bed. Yeah, how much is Squish on right now? 379,000. You just flexing on all the new people, Squish. Do you want to see how many points I have, Squish? I am 17 right now. I would be 37th if we didn't have an influx of people earlier join. Is Farm Tech still in the chat? Oh yeah, of course, yes, she just told you to go to bed. Farm Tech, I can now see the actions thing that you mentioned. Is it just under Lumia actions? No. Don't see it under there. We can run code. Conditions. I cannot see the thing you mentioned though. I think it was actions you said, wasn't it? Actions. No, only reactions. So I cannot see this farm tech, sorry. Unless I'm being blind. When I click on command actions, choose what you want your command to do. Show screen. Okay, yeah, I can show the screen for this. Should be fine. Let me close the tabs on my web browser and stuff though. Just because I've got any of the payment screens up or anything. Because I'm a bit stupid when it comes to flicking through these screens. Okay, I think that's good. It'd be nice not to dox myself. What are we looking for? We're looking for Lumia Stream, aren't we? Yeah. There you go. You guys see that okay? So yeah, these are the options I have currently. Also going to check my laundry. So if you let me know which one I click farm deck. No, that's still ain't finish. I'm starving, so I'm going to grab 2 chocolates while I'm here. I don't know if Empty has these. Where you guys are. What tangent are we on here? I was messing with you. He is. Damn Howard. Some nice chocolate. That's the same options as we had earlier, isn't it? Eating sugar 220. Yeah, hell yeah. I need well tired and hungry. So what do I click in here then, farm deck? Lost my goddamn drink now. Where have I put that? Shit. Okay, apparently my drink is just like vanished. I see a bottle of white spirit, but I don't think that's going to quench my thirst. I think it'll just make me go blind. And a bottle of IPA. Also not edible. Okay, let me have a quick look what farm deck has sent and have a look at the instructions again. Squish, that's how it's done. What did I miss? Search for HTTP. I did. There is no HTTP request. HTTP. No options. Would we do it through a code? Through code, maybe. Could we do this API? Would this work? Because I cannot find the HTTP thing you mentioned. Also gonna grab myself another drink because mine has vanished. I guarantee soon I make another drink, I'll find it. Hopefully this one I got on the screen works. If it doesn't, I'm kind of out of ideas. This ducky has just been one hell of an adventure though. We are considering doing a duck 2.0 at some point. where we don't use the board that's built into the DAC at all. Because at the moment we've got a DAC, it's got a board that controls like the motors and the audio. And then we control the power for that with the ESP and transistor. Use the transistor to intercept the power, and then use the ESP to knock on and off the transistor. But we do have plans to potentially use a something like an MP3 module or something, and an ESP. I could have shut my window. I forgot I opened this window. I opened all the windows because I was spray painting. But I didn't open them before. I started spray painting. I just opened them after, when I realized like I couldn't breathe. Oops. Okay. Drop down that box again. Get is a HTTP request. Okay, so I can literally just type in the IP here. Okay, let's see if this works. It works. We have life. The only problem is, that's still a bit loud, and it's quite late at night. I'll chill out, Duck. So we can add this action. Done. Nice work, Farm Tech. I'm gonna have a look at editing all of these tomorrow. We can have a thumbnail for this. Start a command. So we're gonna call this Ducko. Description for that. Duck. I think that's a good description. Should make Farm Tech a mod. Yeah, I could potentially make Farm Tech a mod. That would be handy. If he wants to be a mod, he's more than welcome to. He has helped out a ridiculous amount. But Squish, I don't think I was gonna say I don't think MT deserves a more new, but then it sounds like I'm not appreciating the work that Farm Tech's done. But the amount of hours that you've put into this this channel and the stream, like watching the stream and just being active in the chat, Squish, is like insane. I won't bring your watch time up on Lumia Stream because I remember you said you don't want to know how long, but yeah, the numbers are quite high. You have put in a lot of time on this stream, Squish, and Farm Tech has put in a lot of work helping in this project. Just making one. You can always decline later. How do I do it? Just click his name. As moderator. Standard, I think. Save. There you go. Your status is just being updated, Farm Tech. It doesn't mean you can start slacking on your mod duties now, though, sorry. Squish, just because there's two of you. Do you have web or utility in scroll bar? I'm not too sure. Oh wait, use with loyalty points. Oh, points cost. Use it less points. Okay, this is definitely worth. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to purchase this before the trial runs out. But we can just chuck in 100 points for now. We can click next step. Next step. I guess I can skip Q. He has been knighted. Yes, you have. You are now Sir Farm Tech. Complete and save. Refresh. And we can switch the top down. Yeah, he's done lost to get this working. Yeah, he has. Who wants to be the first person to test that command? It is quite late, so I might have to like lower the volume, but I can't lower the volume on him right now because we decided to fit the sound. Like we got an adjustable resistor in between like the speaker and the power, or just in between the signal line, I think, so we can like adjust the volume on him. He was even louder than that when we got him, which makes sense, he's a kid's toy. But we tend to stream quite late at night, and it's nice to make a lot of noise. I was away for some time, I did not see what you made in Lumia. Okay, so the other command is showing up, but this one, oh no, it's not Ducko, it's Ducko, because we already had one called Duck at the time. So yeah, seems like the duck is working, guys, with the integration. But I need to edit the message because I'm pretty sure I said it was costing 100 points. Let me check my points. If I do points, if so, then I need to okay, so I'm on that much right now. So if I do Ducko, he seems to be on his side almost. Will your work makes him dance? It does. Maybe he was on cooldown, so I couldn't do it. Let me try. And I try my points. Okay, well, it didn't seem like it cost points right there. At the moment, it is Ducko. But I can change it to Duck like tomorrow and remove the original Duck command. For some reason though, when I go to commands, where's the Duck one? Oh god. Definitely gonna have to reduce the time that goes on for. It's meant to be costing points. But it is not. Let's edit this. Change this to 5 seconds. Save. Done. I think I will lower the volume of him slightly when we open him up next. Just to dry it in. Like last time we opened him up, it took us like, it was hard to get it closed. Next step. So I've got it checked, loyalty points. Use with loyalty points. So this should cost loyalty points to do, but it doesn't seem to be working. I'm not too sure if I'm missing something on that aspect of it. Let me just check my points in case it's gone down since I guess it was a delay. I was on like 3010 before, wasn't it? He is turning around, that's any problem because of the cable we hooked up onto him. Yeah, I've got it set to cost like 100 points right now, but it doesn't seem to be working. I set to like 200 points. Complete and save, refresh. Yes, did it cost you points? Did it work for you then? It cost you points. Did yours go down? Okay, so that means when I edit it, I want to put in a bot reply then, saying username, purchase Ducko for X amount of points. So there's feedback for the user. Okay, let me check on my washing as well, because I need to put a spin cycle on. Once it's finished. Still hasn't even finished. Damn it. Oh my god, chill out guys. Definitely glad I've reduced that to 5 seconds for now. This is such a cool idea. Yeah, it is a good idea. It's taken a long time. I think this is like stream number 5 or 6 for this. And this is probably going to be the shortest stream. This is only 2.5 hours right now. I think some of the streams are like, I don't know if they're like 8 hours. I don't know. Some are quite long. Like, it's minimum normally like 3.5 to like 6 hours, which is not good because I always stream really late and I wonder why I get 0 sleep. But we also want to integrate the Duck into alerts. So when people like tip, he'll go off if people subscribe when they like the video or the stream, etc. We will be removing. Now we'll keep it as a command, I think, for like points, but they'll probably be like a lot higher value. So yeah, the Duck is working with Lumia chat commands right now. Yeah, that's the only thing he's working with right currently is the chat commands. I haven't set any other stuff up. I do want to integrate the lights to also flash when Duck, when he's seen the last 2 on this, and it's been interesting, definitely. Yeah, thank you. If it wasn't for farm tech though, it wouldn't be anywhere near this interesting. We'd still have Ducky on the bench, probably in pieces. In WLED. I haven't checked any of that other stuff, but an idea I did have, because I can just do all that through Lumia Stream, I think, to set the lights off at the same time as Duck. It might be a bit more simple for me. But I want to see if I can change scene, basically. Not for everything, but say if something like big, like a donation or a tip or something, we can have like the scene change on Ducky up here to full screen and have like the lights flash as well as in dancing. So it's a bit more of like a, you know, a spectacle. So it'll take over whatever I'm currently doing, change the scene from my camera to the Ducko cam full screen. Gonna have to get him some little like shoes, maybe get him some like foam pads to go on his feet, so he's not like so tappy. And we will have a better stage or something for him maybe at some point. At the moment, it's like the most ghetto setup ever. The webcam is literally just rested on 2 plastic boxes that have like double-sided foam tape underneath the box so it doesn't like twist, and then another double-sided tape under the other box to stack that box, and then double-sided foam tape under the webcam so it doesn't fall over and move. And I've had to turn my computer 90 degrees so the cable reaches. Yeah, the struggle was real getting this additional camera set up for Duck. I'm like fumigating myself to paint the background, which does look a bit rough. but I think the border around it pretties it up. Like if I get rid of like the little ducky cam, not ducky cam, the border, I don't know, it just looks more rough. It hides like a bit of the cable and stuff on the right hand side, and a bit where the background ends on the left. Definitely steps it up to another level. The border is good, yeah. I didn't like it without the borders. I just googled like duck border PNG and I found this one and then like sized it up. You have a free GPIO in Duck, so you can add a buzzer. That's not alert to like a chat. Yeah, I do need to do some other stuff like that. We also have like obviously all these like components that we bought. We bought like a big box of like random components. Oh, nice, we just got a subscriber. Mine echte name. Thank you very much for the subscription. Yes, we've just got like resistors, all this kind of stuff. Adjustable resistors, diodes, capacitors. We do have like loads of LEDs, like varying sizes. So the idea is to maybe put a couple inside of Ducky's mouse, but I don't know how visible they would be on camera. I was also thinking of maybe drilling Ducky's out, Ducky's eyes out, putting red LEDs in it. I think that might be a step too far. We're trying to keep away from making Ducky into like evil, into maybe like Five Nights at Freddy's or something. I know chat would love that. Chat's idea would be put razor blades on Ducko's hands and let chat control him. And lasers out of his eyes. While running him on while running him on 60 volts. Jeez, words be hard, Squish. I think sleep is affecting me too. You can't type, I can't speak. So next time you open Duck, use the latest software I sent and make a buzzer or LED in Duck and a free GPIO pin. And you can add command for this GPIO pin. Ah, yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, because we can use, wasn't it 5 GPIO pins you said? Which is pretty cool. Which will give me more ideas for the next Duck project, to be honest. Because with 5 pins, if we do in our own module, you could have like different commands or alerts linked to Ducky doing different actions, or different songs at least. You have 5. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I was in the middle of adding feedback, wasn't I, for oh, what's it called? The Duck command. But I need to take a quick toilet break. I need to pee. So if you can spare me 1 second. Well, it's going to take me more than 1 second, maybe 2 minutes. I'm going to have a pee, and I will, when I get back, we'll finish setting the Duck command up for now. I'm not too sure roughly how much points I want it to cost. I know obviously for Squish it wouldn't be an issue. Squish is like almost a millionaire on pigeon poop points. If you upgraded to my new ESP, you will have 11 and a DF player for sound effects. Oh, okay. Is that like the project I seen you code in the UI for? Because I think that had the, was it called DF player? You can play like sounds from the web UI and stuff like that. That was really good. If empty is in Andy's Discord, I think Squish did give a shout out to FarmTech and showed the like little video clip that he done. So if MD's interested, head over to Swin Electronic Repairs Discord channel, and it is in there somewhere. It's a really cool looking UI that interacts with an ESP. Right, I need to take a pee. I'm still standing here. Right, bear with me 2 seconds, guys. guys. Okay, what did I miss? Alright, bear with me 1 second. I just need to quickly catch up with chat. I'm gonna put my gloves on first though. I also need to get some more gloves soon. We're running pretty low. A stage with mini lights and a couple of lasers would be cool. Yeah, that's kind of like what I've tried to build there for him. It's like a little stage. It's currently like 2 bits of wood though. 2 black bits of wood and an LED strip. It would look a bit better if I could get the camera like the right angle and stuff and right framing, but I don't think I can. Not without buying a big tripod and putting it next to me, and that would just be really annoying. But I am considering building something else and moving a whole bunch of stuff around. But that was the general idea. This doesn't look anywhere near as good as I wanted it to, the ducky cam. Alright, let me have a quick look what people have said. You should do that. Yeah, I know I do want to do that, Squish, with the upgraded the DF player and ESP32 and stuff. We'd have to measure up to make sure an ESP32 fits in one of these. Not Ducko, but a desktop version for your workbench. Okay, maybe. If you need anything to 3D printed with setup, let me know. I'd love to have. Okay, that's much appreciated. Then the workbench can stay clean longer. Yeah, I do need to get this clean. Blah, can't even speak. Need to get this cleaned. I'll probably have a bit of a clean up on the weekend. Because we've just thrown stuff everywhere. We've got like hot glue here, cotton buds, and shrink. It's just chaos. Give me a glue gun right here. Pow, pow, pow. Freeze, ducky. Can we get this in frame for ducky? Stick your hands up, ducky. Let's move the glue gun out of the way. Yeah, definitely might need some 3D prints, but I probably might get myself a 3D printer. But like, I still need to get some more tools for like electronics repair and stuff as well. Why is my name in blue now? Oh, because you're a mod, yeah. You know, mod powers, that's the way it is. So thank you for all the effort you put in for the project. Yeah. Squish said to make you a mod, and I was like, yeah, that's a good idea. We can make Contact a mod. Yeah, it's put in a lot of effort. I make models too. Oh, okay, what kind of models do you make? Be scared now, because I can ban you in slots. Yeah, he's going to time you out, Squish, until he's #1. I love a good project. Yeah, I love a good project too. That's like kind of why I want to get a 3D printer. Because one of the other projects we're doing was, I think it's still here. We were trying to make wireless headphones. I think FarmTech also managed to solve that problem. We couldn't get it working. We did have an ESP connected to this, and this is a what is this now? A DAC, digital audio encoder, I think that's what it stands for, or digital analog, is it? Encoder. But yeah, we were getting a whole bunch of buzzing and noise. We tried like capacitors and all sorts of places. Electrolytic, is it, or lithic? And the ceramic, this is a 470, and we tried a 0.1 as well. I don't even know where the shell is, to be honest, for the headset anymore. But yeah, basically it was a Turtle Beach headset. So we're always trying to like patch and make something. That's kind of why I want a 3D printer. You can see an example in the message I do parametric modeling. Okay, I'm not too sure what that is. That's pretty cool. I'll have a look though. Is it like a DM that you've sent me? I can't sculpt to save my life. Don't worry, like you're not the only one. I tried to do like game development for a bit, making games for Fortnite through the Unreal editor. And I had to try and do some modeling for that. Blender, oh yeah, I can't use Blender at all, basically. I could do some basic modeling in Unreal Engine, but that was very limited, and yeah, sculpting seems like crazy. Yeah, on Discord. Okay, sweet. I can take a look now, actually, because I've got Discord on here now. I completely forgot I did Discord. Wait 2 seconds. I keep thinking I've got to wait till I go to the other computer. Let's have a look at the message requests. Okay, let's have a look. Oh damn, yeah, there's a lot of cool pictures you sent there. Is that like the original case? Damn, is that, did you make that 3D model? Like the, I'm seeing a render like a 3D model. That's pretty cool. Oh, is that a resin printer? Nice. I bet the finish on that is amazing. The fidelity on resin printers. OG versus, I can't even tell which one's the new one. From that image, to be honest, but yeah, that looks amazing. That's like super cool. Okay, let's have a look. You need to load a DF Player Mini and an SD card Max. 32 gig for the SP to play sounds. The SD card Max, are you saying like I just need to order an SD card basically? Or it's like an SD card Max, like a module? Or you're just saying I need to get one that's like an SD card that's like maximum is 32 gigabyte in size? And also I need an ESP32, I guess. What one would you recommend? Because obviously we used the Lowland Light before, didn't we? When we were using, that's the D1. The Lowland Light 32. I don't know if there's any other recommendations. Yo, what's going on, Sloth? How are you doing today? Chatbot, enable, username has redeemed, command for points cost, pigeon poop. Oh, okay, cool. Done. Complete and save. Refresh. Does the duck work? You're welcome to test. The command is !Ducko at the moment. It might be changed. Okay, let me check on my laundry. I'm probably gonna have to wrap up the stream at some point shortly as well, just because I just noticed it's like 1 AM. Nah, that's quite late too. Wait, somebody just tip. I just came back to that. I almost missed it. Wow, thank you very much, Lost Tech. That's much appreciated. We need to make Ducko dance for Sloth. That's much appreciated, Sloth. Thank you very much. That will help towards buying the subscription for. Oh, that scared the life out of me. I don't even know if there's somebody typed that in chat. But yeah, that'll help towards getting the subscription for the Lumia stream, because it turned out to do this integration we needed the premium version. Make tips, make him dance. Yeah, that's the plan. Is to make donations and tips, make him dance. At the moment, we have it set up for pigeon poop points. But we will obviously increase the amount of the points. I've just added the there you go, yes, redeem 200 points for Ducko. So we've added the bot to now tell people when they're buying Ducko. I need to now figure out how to add it as a tip thing though. So when people donate, it's like under an alert or something. That would be alerts. If I type in okay, last donator, I think. Oh. Can't make a wireless headset, but we can make a duck dance. Yeah, exactly. And the problem with the duck, it keeps turning away from the camera because of the cable that we put into him. It's a bit like heavy, but maybe we like extend it so he hasn't got like the actual barrel jack part, but they should make the duck poop. Ah, yeah, that reminds me, chat. I literally forgot. I approve of the suggestion. How would we even go about making him poop? But I do have an idea that I really wanted to do to the duck once he was done and the camera's in place. For lols, because it's going to make it look like the logo, like the character I came up with for the like the stream mascot kind of thing. Will this work? Make a pigeon that poops, lay an egg. How the hell am I gonna make it lay an egg? If you guys can come up with it, I'm willing to try it. Okay, trying to tie a knot in this is a tad difficult. Oh no, don't deflate. This shouldn't be this difficult to do. You'll see once I'm done though. Okay, now I need some tape. Where did I put the tape? Oh, this is, I just use some masking tape for now. God, it's a giant moth out there. Oh, we do this with using a pigeon that poops. We could do. Yeah, he now has another. Do you like his teats? His duck teats. We can add some other sound clip of the duck on it, yeah, there. Dude, if the pigeon pooped every time someone roulette, that would be awesome. We might be able to integrate something. When people win on different stuff. We might have to get like some other types of toys. And some small little things. And see how much we can integrate. If they want a certain amount. Yeah, definitely. There's probably ways to integrate that. I'm just seeing if I can integrate this donor thing right now. So last person to donate says add variable. Use variables that will automatically be replaced before sending out text. Yeah, I don't think I'm in the right thing. These are like just like variables and custom variables. Event list. What's a free ticket list? There's so many things on here that I don't really understand at all. Oh guys, we can use HFX now because we've got the premium currently. Can I preview this? Okay, previews there. This use as a chat command. Name SpongeBob. test? Did it show up on the stream? I can't see it showing up on the stream. Let's just click done. Refresh. Okay. I use SpongeBob, but I don't see SpongeBob running across the screen. Did I not integrate it correctly? Do I need to add an element? No? New widget, maybe? No, that's just confusing. Okay. Yeah, I can't figure that out. Oh wait, I forgot to YouTube alerts. 1 second. In the DM for slots we use this setup. Okay, I'll probably take a look at that tomorrow. Just it's quite late. I'm just going to see if I can figure out how to do. I can see gift member, super sticker, session, like viewers. I can't see one for donation entrance. Okay, this is something I have to figure out off stream maybe. I'm off to bed night. Thanks for stream later chat. Night Squish, I don't blame you. I'm on the verge of falling asleep too. Oh nice that washing machine's finally finished. I've just hoping I could quickly hear the win is Ducko dancing set up as a sample. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'll have a look at that tomorrow and have like a good read through it. Try to like understand a bit better. I cannot see anything. I can see like stream live, stream offline, first chat at entrance, session members, member, session subs, subscriber, gift member, session, gift member, super chat, session, super chats, viewers, like, session, super stickers, and super sticker. I can't see like donation, but I think that's something with stream elements, isn't it? So do I need to add stream elements to this maybe? I think I do. How would I even do that? Connections. Add new connection, I think. Stream with an M. Elements. Okay. Just need to sign into this now. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I need to figure out what my email is for this. Authorize. Okay, cool. I've now integrated stream elements. Now if I go to alert, stream elements, tip. Okay, nice. Now I need to set something up. How do I do this? Lights or flash, I can see that. TTS. Okay, we enable TTS for that. Chat art. Enable chat art. Advanced. Ooh, we can do manage Lumia actions. So if we do, oh, how do we do the last action? I've already forgotten. Let me check. I've completely forgotten how we done the other action, to be honest, guys. Oh wait, there was an API, wasn't it? Yeah, we used the API, okay. So if I now get the IP address for the ESP, paste that in there, Ducko will do 10 seconds. Let's test that. I need to adjust the volume on that. Done. That should all work now. I'll refresh. I think that's all saved and done. Okay, there you go guys, that took a minute. I think now for the tips, it's a shame we didn't have it enabled for sloth originally, but what we will do, can we maybe replay this, replay activity and see if it works. There you go. It's dancing for you, sloth. Just to say thank you. He seems to be turning his booty towards you. Let's give you a little booty dance. We'll replay it one more time for you, sloth. Need to figure out this cable situation though. You got the hang about how to now. Yeah, I'm kind of figuring out now. Yeah, definitely with the, I think it was because I was on the free version. A lot of these stuff wasn't like appearing. But definitely all the advice you've given like helps a lot. Especially with like saying I can use like the get on the API and stuff like that. Yeah, now I think when people tip, unless I need to enable in stream elements as well, but I do have TTS enabled for tips now. I'm not too sure if I need to enable something in stream elements. It might just be me speaking quiet because I'm quite tired. But I do have TTS enabled for tips stuff. But do you guys happen to know if I now need to like enable it on stream elements as well, so people can use TTS, or is it automatically on? Because I think like Lumia Stream is just going to be passing through whatever stream elements provides it. We're going to have to try and now also figure out a payment method to figure out how to pay for this. So we can actually like permanently upgrade to the premium version. That could jump. Yeah, that would be cool. We can also start like a, oh wait, we have to just take that there and this stuff. Oh god. But yeah, I definitely going to be increasing the cost of the Ducko on the points. 200 is good for now. We do have some of them LEDs, so I'll try to put some in his mouse next stream maybe, to see if we can get it visible. I don't know if it will be though. Can I run any of these off 5 volts? Or am I going to have to use like a diode to drop the voltage, or a resistor or something? Like the old style LEDs. Do like the bigger ones take more voltage than the smaller ones? Or do they just draw less current? Just MDM to know. I know these all vary in voltage. I'm assuming white. But white is a bit boring, you're not really going to see that too well. Blue, making subscribers only. Yeah, we could potentially look at making subscribers only to control the duck, as well as the Lumia points, or the pigeon poop points, I should say, as we call them. And if MD sees any like cool toys I think we can control, let me know. Obviously in time, potentially, if I decide to like do a room out for streaming and we have like a nice backdrop and stuff like that, we could do like I was thinking like LED slat walls. That would be pretty cool to control. Maybe like a full size, like life size character of some kind. But that would be like way down the road. Like, we start small for now. We've barely done this, and if it wasn't for the help of chat, like farm tech mainly, we wouldn't have done this at all. The 8266 max 12 amps LED low for lineage transistor for the LED. Yeah, can we not just buy it? Because we wouldn't be able to do. That's a good point. I was thinking, could we just do like intersect the ground somehow? So we have to do the same with another transistor basically, and switch a transistor on and off and power that transistor with the 12 volts or 5 volts. I think we're putting into it now. Yeah, well, we'll have a look. I do want to try some other like types of stuff. I also do want to do some repairs and restorations. But these projects seem to just, I don't know, be more fun, more challenging. You never know like what to expect. But I do like now and again to do something I'm familiar with. I like to do a bit more like soldering and stuff like that. We do need to get a hot air station. I'd like to practice and start learning to do some port repairs and stuff like that. But that's a job for another day. But for now, I'm pretty happy. We've got the duck set up, and we've got the duck cam set up. It's the first stream for the duck cam as well. Over time, we can look at obviously upgrading duck, different backgrounds and stuff like that. I wonder if we could possibly. I'd have to relocate this so I could get like a square on camera, but I wonder if it's possible to, you guys in chat might know this, like I think it's called rotoscoping. Is it like where you green screen stuff? Could we green screen behind Ducky and have a way that we can change the backgrounds behind the duck? Maybe have chat, have some kind of like input or control somehow to be able to like set the scene for like what background we have behind the duck. I don't even know if that's possible, but it just came to mind now. I kind of do like the black background. We went for the black background because with all the like camera lights and stuff we've got running, LEDs don't really show up too well. So if we put them near the black background, we can see the LEDs basically, which we can control with commands via chat as much as you want to for no cost. We might look at maybe integrating a cost into them, a very small one, just to give people more uses for their points, which gives them more reason to, you know, like watch, subscribe, like the stream, because you get free points for doing that, as well as, you know, gambling with slots and roulette. Can I do black? Does black even work as a color? I don't think it does it? I just type it straight up. I think you need to do the hex value for it. Yeah, I think it appears that way. Hex. Does anybody have to remember how many zeros are in black? It's a 6. Or 5. Okay, 5 looks right. What should be 6? Did I do it wrong? No. Maybe. Didn't seem to change. Maybe I need more zeros. Is that maybe black? I swear it's 5. Oh no, okay, apparently it's 6. There you go. Yeah, so black does work with the hex. Now we can do police. So we're slowly gaining more commands. I need to figure out how to do some like overlays and some like sounds and stuff. Everything was going to have to eventually have cooldowns added, maybe in costs and stuff like that, just to regulate and balance, so it's not too spammy for anybody who doesn't like want it. Just because with too much going on in chat, it's quite easy to miss, you know, you guys sending messages and stuff. But if anybody has any ideas for any projects they'd like to see me tackle, just let me know. Like anything repair wise, obviously bear in mind my tool set is a bit limited. We have like, you know, decent soldering iron, we've got tips. We don't have hot air though. So obviously if we need to be doing like anything with hot air, you know, like BGA, we bowl in and yeah, that kind of stuff, we're not at that kind of level yet. We mainly do like controller repairs. We do have many controllers. Where is my box of controllers? Oh, here it is. These are just a handful of the controllers. So we have like restored recently. We restored all of these as well as upgraded them. So they've all got TMR sticks in them. Some have just been done as, hopefully I haven't got any dirt on my gloves. Like everything is just like done new basically. New like some sticks, new rubber things on them. Some we've done like case mods. I would like to put LEDs between the two boards on these. So it's just got like a little bit of a glow, but you can't actually see the LED. So it'd be diffused in between the two boards. This was a nice one. This had like new everything basically. Apart from I think the D-pad and the home button. All these buttons are new, all these, this, the case and everything. The triggers and bumpers, middle bar. A black one, a white one. My favourite one is in here somewhere hiding though. White one. Got a shark blue one down there. Here it is. This is the favourite. Came out really nice. It's a custom case. It's an official controller. Upgraded TMR sticks, the same with all of them. And we put a custom case on this one. The orange and black I think is like really nice. Yeah, it's my favourite one. This one is. Probably followed by this transparent one here. I have been looking at or considering hydro dipping. I think it'd be cool to hydro dip a case or something. Or electroplating, just make one like fully metal. Because we do have the stuff to do the electroplating. But trying to get that like perfect would be quite difficult. We also need to try to get rid of some of these controllers. We need to start putting some of them up for sale, so we can get some funds to inject to, you know, can't even speak, some funds to inject into other projects. Because they're all in really good condition after being, you know, restored. Anything that was wrong with them has been fixed. Because we have like, that's what we have the most parts for, basically. We have like new almost everything, because if like the battery terminals are gone, we've got all different battery terminals here for the controller, brand new ones. The momentary switches. We've got also glue, just in case anything's like broken, because sometimes you get damage on the bumpers. The crossbars, we do have replacement ones of them as well, if needed. Entire replacement, like housing cases, plenty of them. Just like example, just like 2 of them right here. Also we've got these and these ones, which we don't really use too often, just in case. We normally use the TMR ones. We do have USB ports here already for the controllers for once we get hot air. We've got like space screws. So yeah, they all get a really good thorough restoration, clean, etc. Got like different backs, because people always lose like the backs and stuff. Like, well stocked up. Like most people do like switches, I do like controllers. I've got brand new thumbsticks. Like more of them in there. We're well stocked up. So that's why I like prefer to do controllers, just because I've already invested quite a bit into all the parts and components, which makes, you know, things a lot easier. I don't have to be salvaging stuff from boards. I can just put brand new parts into things, and then I am satisfied that I've done a good thorough job. I just hope that I can actually sell some of them when it comes to selling them. We do have some other parts there, like spare middle bars and stuff. I'd like to try PlayStation 5 controllers at some point, because I think there's a bit of a market there for them, but they just seem a bit more complicated. And I'd like to branch out into consoles eventually. Alright, I think I'm probably going to have to wrap the stream up here though, because it is literally 1:30 and I've got work tomorrow. And I've had like almost no sleep all week. It's my own fault though, I shouldn't really start streaming so late. But I can't help it. It's just fun. I really enjoy doing these projects, you know, having a good old chat with you guys on the stream and everything. You know, couldn't think of anything better I'd rather be doing. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap up the stream here. Hopefully, if I'm not too tired tomorrow, I will have another stream. What we'll do at the moment is undecided, because we do have a few projects. We could either carry on doing some stuff with the Duck, discuss future projects whilst after the stream, or we can do like the controller restoration, or building the plastic whitening kit. There's probably another project I've got in the works, but I've completely forgot about because I'm half asleep. But yeah, we've got plenty of different things we can choose from. We'll probably figure it out on stream, as we always do. You know, based on whatever you guys think is going to be best. So yeah, thank you very much for everybody who stopped by. It's much appreciated. You guys are always the best. I'm going to get some sleep because I am starting to ramble on right now because it's 1:30 a.m. Yeah. Good night, guys. Take it easy. And see you all next time. Bye-bye.